Hey there! Is your iPhone's macro or 0.5 zoom feature acting up? No worries at all. I'm here to help you out. In today's video, I'll guide you through some simple and effective ways to fix the macro or 0.5 zoom issue on your iPhone. Let's jump right into the solutions. Solution 1. Enable macro control. First, open your Settings app. Next, scroll down to find the camera option. Then, tap on Camera. After that, scroll down a bit more. Now, toggle on macro control. Finally, open the Camera app and switch to 0.5x to see if the problem is resolved. Solution 2. Turn off lens correction. First, open your settings. Then scroll down and tap on Camera. Next, toggle off lens correction. After that, test your camera again to see if everything is working as it should. Solution 3. Force close the Camera app. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and pause in the middle. Then, locate the Camera app and swipe up to close it. Next, reopen the Camera app and check if it's functioning properly. After that, restart your iPhone and see if the issue is fixed. Solution 4. Update your iPhone. First, open your Settings app. Next, scroll down and tap on General. Then, tap on Software Update. After that, if you see an update available, tap Download and Install. Now, once the update is complete, test your camera again. Solution 5. Reset all settings. First, open Settings. Then scroll down and tap on General. Next, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset, then select Reset all settings. Now, confirm by tapping Reset all settings again. Finally, check if the macro or 0.5 zoom is working now. Solution 6. Contact Apple support. If none of these solutions work, it should be a hardware issue. So, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for further assistance. And there you have it. Those are the steps to fix the macro or 0.5 zoom not working on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Got any questions or need further help? Drop them in the comments below and I'll respond to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.